What's up everyone, this is YouTubeKeN. I'm back with another installation video. On a previous video I did do PPF for the rockers on both sides of the car, and I did tell you I would do another video showing the headlights and the fog lights. So we're gonna do that in this video. But first, please like this video, leave a comment if you've done it before. Do you think it will help the lights from yellowing over time? I have no idea. And please subscribe to my channel if you see fit. Let's get into it. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. I'm now showing you B-roll of the finished results. It does have some bubbles, but everything looks good. I understand now you really have to be patient with applying paint protection film, but let me know if you're going to do something like this or if you have already done it. Please punch that like button and subscribe to my channel if you see fit. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you in the next video.